Hey guys, what's up? As you can tell by the title, today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get gaming hardware that is capable of running AAA titles at 60 FPS in most cases for $100 to $150 using used hardware. Well, where are they? Well, I said they. I actually have two different devices here. One on each major platform right now. As you know, there's two major platforms, and I have one of each. So I'm going to snap my fingers, and they're going to appear in front of me. Whoa! Here they are. As you can see, they're very small form factor devices, and you can get each of them for about $100. Now, okay, let's drop the bit. Yes, this video is about a PS4 and an Xbox One. These are the original model, PS4 and Xbox One, not the new. But here's what I'm trying to say. All of these other people would tell you, oh, it's so worth it to have a PC. A PC is so much better. But as a person who builds PCs and does all this stuff, I have to be honest, it's not in every case better to buy a computer. If you are looking to game, and just game, and you are on a very tight budget, I mean the kind of people that go into and say, can you help me? I need a $200 PC, I need a $100 PC. You won't get better performance on a PC than you will on an Xbox or a PS4 at that price point. $100 is what it costs to buy a used PS4 and Xbox in a lot of cases. Anywhere from $100 to $200, and $200 you're getting like the Xbox and all the accessories. To build a PC that people say, oh, $200 gaming PC, you're looking at $200 just for the PC, and then you have to buy a monitor and all that stuff. This you can get, probably even including a TV, at $200. And they perform on AAA games 60 FPS. I mean, given that's the maximum, but... And much like a $200 PC, there's no upgrade path. Anyone that tries to tell you there's an upgrade path on a $200 PC is lying. Because there is none. You're using such old hardware that the standards are most likely gone for the hardware that you're using. So you're using maybe an AM3 socket or an Optiplex. You can't upgrade that. You got to change out the whole motherboard and the graphics card. And then the CPU as well. There's no upgrade path. These just the same. You could also sell these. They do have resale value, and then get a new, save up for the new Xbox, or then you save up for a new PC. But, guys, when people say they want to upgrade from PS4 and Xbox for $200, there's no upgrade. If you buy a PC, you're going to downgrade, and that's my one rule when buying a gaming PC. If you just want it for gaming, I have one rule. Make sure it will perform better in every way than a console. Because a console is just a computer. That's it. I was gonna say more. No. A console is just a computer with specialized hardware. Here's why I'm saying all this. A console, both of these consoles, I'm pretty sure, use the same APU. It's a CPU with graphics cores. The AMD Jaguar APU. It's Jaguar something something. You can't buy it on the market. But the reason these perform so much better than computers in AAA titles, and even on the new PS4 and Xbox One you see in 4K, is because game companies can develop their games specifically for the hardware inside of these. It's almost as if, saying every single computer on the planet, every gaming PC, had the same CPU and same graphics card. Game companies could optimize their games for that CPU and graphics card. See, everyone thinks it must be so hard to develop a game for the PS4 and the Xbox because they're so different. They're the exact same on the inside. They have the same CPU, or APU, I should say, as far as I know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but right now they have the same APU. So, it's not hard. It's basically just porting over to the different, securities that stop you from running a PS4 game on an Xbox One. They are just computers. They are computers that use specialized hardware that game companies can develop their games to work best on. Gaming PCs have so many different variants and different possibilities, different platforms. You could have Ryzen, Athlon, Intel, the Core series, the Xeon series, Threadripper, all these different platforms. The game companies can't develop it specifically for each platform, so they develop it to work on computers. And a lot of game companies actually, since Intel was the dominant force until now, I should say, have developed their games to work better with Intel. So actually AMD seems to fall off. But with PS4 and Xbox, game companies just develop it to work with PS4 and Xbox. One hardware set, unlike PC. So guys, if honestly, anything less than 400 is the minimum I'll give you for only used components. And like I said, I don't know what you're going to get out of that. You'll still have a better performance on PS4 as I smack my PC. Just buy an Xbox or a PS4. That's my thing. When someone says, oh, I've got $200, what PC should I get? An Xbox or a PS4. Just buy a PS4 and Xbox. Now you can even plug your keyboard and mouse in, because you're not going to have a better experience. You're going to pay more and have a worse experience on a PC. Full honesty. Just buy an Xbox or save up. $500 is my recommended budget. I have done a $500 budget build. You can get a Ryzen 5 1600 and RX 580, and then you kind of go budget everywhere else, like basically $30 case, which is fine. You're not going full looks at that point. Stock cooling and everything, and it'll probably work the same or better, and you'll be on the PC platform. And then people say, oh, but what if I want to live stream? On a $500 PC, well, mine at least I could because I'm smart, but I'm just kidding. On like a $400 PC, or in a lot of cases I've seen $200, you're not going to be live streaming. You'll be lucky if you can even launch Windows. But that's besides the point, guys. I hope you kind of learned something. I'm sorry for the trick, but it's for views. Woohoo! YouTube won't monetize me because creators, they care about them. But yeah. Actually, this came off before. All right, whatever. So I don't actually know what to do with these now. I just have them. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if your budget is really below 400, like you can look up $300 budget build, $200 budget build, and you can see these people going on eBay and deal, but their computers are not better. They just simply aren't. And I do hate to say it, but a lot of these are, I don't want to say essentially lying to you, but they are basically lying to you. In saying that their PCs are better than an Xbox or PS4. They just aren't. You can't beat specialized hardware in this field for this price. That's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.